So I had this bag full of bags on that chair. They were, you know, reusable grocery bags. I washed them and they were all washed. I may have to wash them again now because she climbed into the bag and then of course the bag of bags and herself fell off the chair. And now she's decided to bathe herself. She's been really bathing like 2 spots on her back a lot and she's like licked the fur off. I don't know what that's about. If she's just anxious or what's going on, but we may have to take her to the vet and see. We also have to take Jack to the vet next month, so we might just see what happens. Or if ask the vet like what it could be. Because Jack's hips are giving out a lot and I really think that he probably needs some joint medication. Like in the past they said, well, he's just got a little arthritis, but I think it's gotten worse. So yeah, she just fell off. It was hilarious to watch her fall off though. And now Pancake's like, what is this? Pancake! Yeah, he's gonna get in there. I'm gonna have to rewash all these bags. So today we're making some molasses crinkles. We got 2 cups of white sugar, 2 large eggs, and a half a cup of molasses. And then we're gonna mix it at medium speed. Okay, and 4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. And we're gonna mix that all together. So I'm gonna break this up now. As for the molasses cookies, they have to chill overnight. The dough has to chill overnight in the fridge. And then you just put them in balls, roll them in sugar, and bake them in the oven. I'm gonna put down the full recipe down below so that you can see the whole thing. And tomorrow I'll show you what the cookies look like. So we got a whole bunch of broken up pieces here. They actually look okay now that they're like broken out. I'm gonna put it in a zipper bag to store them. I'm probably gonna make some chocolate ones too. Looks like this is gonna take me all weekend. So I don't know when and how I'm gonna deliver them. Because I am running late making these. And I burned myself last night, but we'll talk about that in a minute. Hi kitty cats. So it's been more than a minute. As though I still have hair, I'm like this. So I burned myself last night. Pretty badly. I have a bandage on. There actually is a little bit here too. I don't know if you could see, there's like a little white spot. I burn myself all the time baking. It happens. I mean, not all the time, but it happens sometimes. I wrung my fingers under cold water and it's fine. It was not fine this time because it was hot sugar on plastic and it stuck to my finger. So it just kept burning before I could get under the water. And first I was just like, I'll be fine, you know. But I kept having to like put my hand back into like cold bag of peas, you know, over and over while I'm trying to like bake these cookies, because I made the mini monster cookies last night. And John went and got me a bowl full of snow from outside to put my hand in because it was just getting worse. And so we tried that and it wasn't working. And then I just started freaking out because it kept getting worse. The pain was horrible. I was crying, I was screaming, I was freaking out. I'm surprised the neighbors upstairs didn't like call the cops or something. John ended up calling 911 and some EMTs came out and they looked at my hand. They were able to calm me down. I took some Tylenol. Now, I already take gabapentin in the evening for nerve pain that I already have. And they mentioned, you know, that this is like, your fingers have very sensitive nerves, and that's why it hurts so much. And I was like, I'm on all this gabapentin. And they're like, that's like amazing. That, you know, like, it was just still hurting. But they had me put it under cold water again, and they just talked to me, I think, for like 20 minutes while my finger was running under the cold water. And they said, you know, you could put your bowl in a handful of water with some of the snow in it or something. And after we leave, because they were like, we take you to the emergency room, which we're perfectly happy to take you, but if we do, they're not going to say anything different. There's nothing they can really do for a burn like this, because it's not extreme enough for them to do anything else, you know, to just keep it clean and, you know, take care of it. So I'm going to change this bandage, actually, after I talk to you. I planned on getting some Neosporin, because they did mention you could put Neosporin on it, and that might help it heal a little bit faster, but, you know, it'll heal on its own. So I suffered through it, but I couldn't sleep until like 5 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning. Was I able to get to sleep? That the pain had gone down enough that I was able to sleep for a while, and I had things to do that day, so I only slept for, I don't know, 4 hours maybe. I was really exhausted all day. And as you saw, I started to make the molasses cookies, but they have to chill, dough has to chill overnight anyways. I've taken my medication for the evening, so I'm gonna hold off making the jingle balls till tomorrow too, and the butterscotch ones. I'm just gonna try and finish it off tomorrow. But once the dishwasher's done, I'm going to bed. Like, I'm super tired, and my meds are gonna hit me soon too, and then I'm just gonna be like, it should be super easy for me to go to sleep. So yeah, after I'm done here, I'm gonna wash my face and do that stuff. So let's get into the Yule book tonight, and we've got December 20th. This is an excellent day for a woman to sit back and relax. Why? Which I did not at all. Because Tao Sun, the Chinese festival of the kitchen god, is celebrated today, and it's customary for a woman to stay out of the kitchen, comply just for today, and let the men in your life take over the culinary and cleaning duties. Yeah, that didn't happen. Before they begin, ask them to ask the god's blessing by saying something like, "Kitchen god, now hear our plea. Help us whip up a delicacy. Let no dish be ruined or burn. Help us shine, for it's our turn." So, and tomorrow, of course, is December 21st, so, which is Yule, and we'll be, me and my crowd will be doing a Yule ritual. I don't know how much of it, or if any of it, we're gonna tape, because you usually don't tape things like that, so, I don't know. This moment here, we get to do our Ulta number 8. Let's see if they gave me anything worth my while. This is the Ulta Beauty Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. In what color? Who knows? I'm sorry I keep sniffing. I don't know what is going on. I am fine all day until about this time of evening, and then my allergies kick up. So this is a nice color. I've used Ulta matte lipsticks before and liked them, so I should be okay with this one. But that's like a nice neutral color. And let's do the NYX Love Lust Disco. Number 20. Sorry, the face I make when I'm trying to get it out. Okay. This bag. This bag. And the color for today is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Cans. I actually think this is one I have too, but it's so creamy. The formula is just so nice. I'm so sorry I keep sniffing. So, very pretty color. So there you go. I know it's a short film today, and then you got like half of the cookie recipe, but I'm gonna put the cookie recipe in the information down below. And yeah, so there you go. I'm so tired, so I also finished like shopping today so that everything's done, everything's shopped for. I have a bunch of wrapping to do tomorrow too before my daughter gets home because she's out tonight. I was gonna do it tonight, but I'm just too tired to do all this stuff. It's just, it can't happen. I don't want a chance being so tired that I burn myself not thinking about what I'm doing, because I think that's what happened last night. I was really tired. I wasn't thinking about what I was doing and I did something stupid and ended up hurting myself, and I don't want to do that again. So if, you know, my goodies are late, better than me getting hurt, right? So, yeah. Please share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and always remember to be kind, even when you burn yourself on hot sugar. Bye bye, kitty cats.